Hi, I'm Sandra. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a fun turkey scarf game that you can use with any turkey song you know. I'm going to use the song 5 Fat Turkeys to play this game, but it works well even if you don't have a turkey song and you just want to play the game with any music. Let's get started. Gobble, 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 gobble. I hope you'll take a second and hit the subscribe and the bell button to get notifications of the music and movement activities that we'll be sharing with you in the future. So I did a full music activity on this song, and you can check out this video to learn about using instruments and playing games with the instruments. So the first thing that I'm going to do is teach the students the words to the song. And since we're doing scarves, I'm just going to have them start with playing the beat while we sing the song.
5 fat turkeys are we. We slept all night in a tree.
And I add a little gobble, 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 gobble to the end of it. If you're teaching this song to really young children, like even under the age of 5, now would be a good time to sit in a circle, give them a scarf, and have them be little turkeys while you just play the music. They don't really need to know the words specifically for the song because you're going to use music to tell them what they're going to do. They'll be stopping and starting. So to use this game with this song, we're going to make a big circle, and then I'm going to choose 5 students, the 5 turkeys, to be in the middle, and they each can have a scarf, and they're going to be dancing around with their scarf while everyone else sings the song. So they're going to sing the song all the way up to the part where we couldn't be found. And that's where you want to pause the music. Couldn't be found. Pause the music. And then everybody in the middle, the little turkeys, are going to run out of the circle and find someone to hide behind and crouch down really low with their scarf. Then you're going to play the music. So that's why we're here, you see. And they're going to jump up and wave their scarf. And then they're going to hand their scarf to the person they hid behind, and that person gets to go be a turkey. It's a pretty simple game, but the students really like it because they get to be a character, an animal in the middle of the circle. They also get to hide. So it's kind of like a peekaboo or hide and seek game. And then they get to jump up and they get to choose someone. The kids who are in the circle, you can have them either sitting or standing. It's not going to matter. If you choose to play the game without the 5 Fat Turkeys song, just choose a number of turkeys and just tell them when the music stops, the turkeys have to hide behind and you could call everyone in the circle a tree. So everyone's standing, trees, and then when the music stops, you can have all the turkeys hide and they can hide behind one of the other students. If you are working with children who are in 2nd and 3rd grade, you can even have a farmer person who walks into the middle of the circle when you stop the music. They can just do this, and then all the turkeys know that it's time to run away. So like I said, it's really adaptable, and I've played it a lot, and the kids really, really enjoy this. It is a great game to play on that week of Thanksgiving break. If you have played this song on instruments like I taught in the other lesson, or you've purchased the resource, here's a way to play the game with instruments. We are going to have the instruments be in the middle. So we'll have the shakers, which are the steady beat, and we'll have the rhythm sticks playing the rhythm of the word. And in the resource, there's more musical parts. But for this video, I'll just show you how to do it with instruments. All right, so we have a group of students who are going to play instruments. We have another group that's making a circle. Where do the turkeys go? The turkeys are going to be on the outside of the circle. So we're going to have the students with the instruments in the middle. We're going to have the turkeys around the outside of the circle. And then you have the trees that are your circle. So if we use the song 5 Fat Turkeys Are We, and we get to the part when the cook came around. So instead of using a recording, the teacher or leader can just when the cook came around. And that signals to everyone, instruments stop. Turkeys have to scramble around the circle. And what I do is I play, and when I stop playing, that means you have to find a tree to hide behind. 3, 2, 1. And they have to hide behind a tree. And then we join back in. 1, 2, ready. So that's why we're here, you see. Turkeys jump out. They give their scarf to the person in front of them. The instrument students stand up. They leave their instruments on the floor. And they go choose someone to play their instrument in the middle. Or you can pre-assign and have 3 groups and say just now group 1, switch, group 2, switch. That's okay too. I have found that when we start playing a new song that we're going to turn into an ensemble, I like to have a game that incorporates the singing, the moving, and the playing of the instruments together. So we're going to sing the song week 1, sing the song and learn the actions, maybe play the beat and rhythm. The next time we're going to play parts separately, have 3 groups, 1 singing, 1 playing rhythm, 1 playing beat, and just work on the 3 parts. And then week 3 and 4, we're going to be ready to play it as a game. Like I said, I love to do these kinds of activities in the music classroom. I found engagement is high and skill levels really rose when we tag into a game that uses all of the activities together, a culminating experience. I hope you like this video and it will help you in your music classes. Don't forget to leave a comment below if this worked for you and if you like this kind of video. I'd love to hear your experiences or questions you might have about how to play the game or switch it up for a different grade. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's keep kids moving and learning with music.